So some cooler temperatures in the forecast, but we don't have to worry about any of that white stuff.
No, not for the moment anyways. And it was nice to see the sunshine today because when you start to expect it to be gloomy, it's like a great little surprise, George.
It sure is, yes. It just lifts everybody's spirits, doesn't it?
It does, very much.
Also gets those temperatures up warmer than they should be, but we'll take it for this time of year. We did have a few sprinkles earlier today. We may still see a few later on this evening, but for the most part, quiet through the weekend now. 13 weather ball, though, is blue. Some cooler weather in view as temperatures fall slowly tomorrow. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Temperatures will be holding steady in the low and mid 40s this evening, and then they'll just slowly drop from around 38 at about 8 o'clock in the morning to around 36, 37 in the afternoon. And we'll have our target for the afternoon coming up a little bit later on. A low pressure system near Madison, Wisconsin is responsible for some of our sprinkles earlier today. They all fell out of mid-level clouds, now heading off to the northeast. Until that low gets by, there's still a chance of a sprinkle later on tonight, but very little in terms of weather. By 7 o'clock this evening, there are a couple of sprinkles, and then that's pretty much it. We've been talking about the next weather system that was down in Oklahoma, trending further south and east. It is now trending so far south and east that the bulk of the active weather is going to stay over toward Detroit into Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, where there may be even some showers and thunderstorms. We're not even going to see anything from that system now. Snow may affect Cleveland on up toward Buffalo and into the Pittsburgh area. And there might be a little bit of lake effect down in Gary, Indiana as the winds come straight down the lake, but our skies will eventually clear late in the day on Friday. So yeah, we got some sunshine coming our way for Friday afternoon and perhaps at times on Saturday as well. By Sunday, though, the clouds return to the area, but we're staying dry until very late Sunday night. Next weather system is going to be rapidly racing up in our direction. Already some rain breaking out here on Sunday afternoon. That will arrive here for Monday and Tuesday of next week. That'll be in the form of some rain. And speaking of rain, you can see where the storm track is, well to our south and east. Long range temperatures will fall from 35 here during the day tomorrow late in the day to 32 on Friday, and then we will only be around 33 during the day on Saturday. Looking at our 6 to 10 day outlook, still high chances will stay warmer than that average high of 30 to 31 during that time period. We also have a higher chance that we'll see more precipitation, most likely in the form of rain. Tonight, a couple of sprinkles. Temperatures at daybreak will be around 36 to 40, and they'll fall from there. Those will be tomorrow's highs, 35 to 38 at daybreak. Again, a few sprinkles this evening. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Daybreak temperatures around 38 to 41. 13 on your side forecast. Cooler Friday, Saturday in the 30s will jump to 40 plus on Sunday. Overnight rain through Tuesday. And then falling temperatures, there may be some accumulating snow next Wednesday night through Thursday, and again the following Friday night into Saturday. Another above average day here in West Michigan. It is early January and temperatures soared well above the average into the 40s and even near 50. What's ahead for your Thursday? 13 weather ball is blue. That means cooler weather now in view, and this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Only spot that didn't make 40 was Big Rapids. Everyone else 40s, even 50 plus. Muskegon, Holland, all the way down through South Haven and Benton Harbor over toward Kalamazoo and Battle Creek. We forecast 45 here. It made 47. Came within 3 degrees of our forecast high. We've done that 4 days in a row now. Upper level winds bringing in the next weather system, but this time this is going to push all of the weather mainly to our south and east on Thursday into Friday. So we're going to be dry through the weekend. Next weather system taking shape out here in the Rockies. This one, I think, is going to bring enough warm air into the region that we will see rain. That will be next Monday and Tuesday. And then a final one will come in toward the end of this next week. Might be enough cold air with that one that it could be in the form of some snow, but no snow the rest of this week and no snow for the first half of next week. Got a little frontal system that went through a couple of days ago. A little low pressure system brought us some sprinkles of rain earlier, and we might see another sprinkle of rain yet this evening, but for the most part, it's now going to stay dry. That next system that everyone was talking about, bringing snow to the state of Michigan, not happening here. It is only going to rain and a little bit of snow over toward Detroit, and that will be later on tomorrow. We'll stay dry here in West Michigan until we get into Sunday night, but between now and then, we'll actually clear skies out in most areas on Friday afternoon and evening. Just a few clouds early in the day on Saturday before it becomes partly cloudy. And then on Sunday, dry day. No storms coming our way, but we will see some rain Sunday night into Monday. So tomorrow, cloudy skies. Temperatures will be falling slowly throughout the day. These are 5 o'clock readings, 34 to 36. Similar up north. These are 5 o'clock readings, 32 to 34. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, our target will be 35 at 5 o'clock, dropping into the mid-30s. 13 on your side forecast. Partly cloudy skies Friday or becoming mostly sunny. Partly cloudy on Saturday and some sunshine on Sunday before that rain moves in after midnight Sunday. That will last through Tuesday. We'll see temperatures well up into the 40s. Falling temperatures then on Wednesday from 41 back into the 30s Thursday, Friday, and Saturday of next week. Might be a couple of rounds of snow next Wednesday night and Thursday and the following Friday night and Saturday.